Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix FiveM not opening or launching. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Task Manager and then you need to look for Rockstar tasks. Rockstar, make sure no tasks is running on PC and also FiveM. Make sure there is no FiveM tasks as well. Then what you need to do here is to press Windows and R key or simply write run. Then write local local app data %, press OK, and then click on one of the tasks here and press R until you see Rockstar Games. Click on it, and then you should see GTA space 5. So what you need to do here is to delete this folder here, and then name it launcher GTA space 5, and then launch FiveM, and your issue should be solved. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.